Yeah.
Always, it's the momentum for me.
Standard or automatic?
Standard.
Click on the emergency brake. You want to keep your rough back tire just like that. Now, hard passenger. A little more passenger. You're good.
Oh shit.
You want to come this way since you're already this far, you might try this, but you got to be way over to get that line.
Yeah, he ain't going up straight ahead, that's for sure.
Just start forward? No, back
No,
up.
no, you need to back up, take another take at it.
Yeah, back up. Yeah, just like you are. Come on back. Come on back. Come on back. Okay, now, back just a little bit more. Okay, now start, now hard driver, and come forward. Come forward a bit, don't let your wheel fall off right there. Let's don't lose what you got. You got to try to clear that big old tall rock. Hard driver. No, you ain't.
Oh, son of a bitch. Son of a bitch.
Get a winch. Get a winch.